Hello everyone. Today, practice English with me pronunciation with long sound and short sound.
This is a long vowel sound. It's pronounced ooh. Now you try. Repeat after me. Ooh,
Ooh, ooh,
ooh.
ooh, ooh.
This is a short vowel sound. It's pronounced uh.
Oh.
Now you try. Repeat after me. Uh,
Oh,
uh.
oh. Let's practice the ooh sound.
Fruit,
Fruit,
juice,
juice,
new,
new,
blue,
blue,
shoes,
juice,
two,
juice,
tulip,
tulip,
bloom,
bloom,
group,
group,
shoot,
shoot,
Fruit juice.
fruits, fruits,
New blue shoes.
new blue shoes.
A group is shooting balloons.
A group is shooting balloons.
Two tulips are blooming.
Two tulips are blooming.
The new school is truly superb.
The new school is truly super. Let's practice the shout.
good,
Good.
room,
Room.
look,
Look.
cookbook,
Cook. Look.
childhood,
Childhood.
wood,
Wood.
pull,
Pull.
push,
Push.
put,
Put.
cushion,
Cushion.
pudding,
Pudding.
A good cushion.
A good cushions.
Pull and push.
Pull and push.
Looking back on my childhood.
Looking back on my childhood.
Would you like some pudding?
Would you like some pudding?
Put this cookbook in your room.
Put this cookbook in your room. Thank you for your watching. See you next time.